Hello mga ka-team aboard in Thailand, sawadee ka. So ito yung second day ng stay namin sa Malinampu Hotel. Habang tulog pa si Bella, I was able to take a bath already. And ayan na, kailangan ko na talaga siyang gisingin. So we had a morning call with Daddy. Sabi ko, we have to wake up na kasi naman yung time for breakfast is about to end. By the way, the kitchen is just near our room since I requested the room na nasa baba lang. For breakfast, ang dami nilang in-offer na food. Marami ding fruits, so you can choose whatever you want. If you want to have a light breakfast, you can. If you want a heavy or full breakfast, definitely, it's your choice. Sulit na sulit dito yung breakfast. Actually, mababait din dito yung staff. And of course, you have to avail this kasi sa labas, medyo pricey talaga yung food dito sa Laos. And dahil hindi kumakain si Bella ng rice in the morning, yan, ang gusto niya, bread lang and jam. Of course, binibigyan ko din siya ng milk. So after that, full na daw siya. Sa realization ko sa trip namin na ito ni Bella is I was able to expose her to different kind of people. So we were able to meet here approximately 7 nationalities with their kids. So ayan, konting playtime lang. And after that, pinaliguan ko na rin siya. Getting ready kasi it's getting late na. We will go outside kahit mainit kasi wala kaming lunch dito. If you're traveling with your kid, don't forget to bring with you sunscreen kasi it's very important, especially if the weather in the place that you're going to is super hot. And since tulog pa yung friend niya, sabi niya, come on mommy, let's check muna yung swimming pool upstairs. Wala sa ground floor ang swimming pool dito sa hotel na ito. Instead, nasa taas siya. And there are also other rooms upstairs. Yung excited ka, pero at the same time natatakot ka. Ayan, nag-start lang siyang umakyat, pero on halfway, sabi niya, please hold my hand, mommy. Kasi nga, mataas din talaga. So after that, ayan na, that's the swimming pool of Malinampu Hotel. And since hindi marunong mag-swim ang mommy at medyo malalim ito, so hindi din kami nakapag-swimming. However, nagdala talaga ako yung pang-swimming. So, disadvantage kapag hindi talaga marunong mag-swim. Sabi ko nga, kung kasama siguro namin dito si Daddy Alvin, panigurado, magsiswimming sila. Ayaw ko naman i-risk yung safety namin. And yes, hayaan na natin matulog yung swimsuit sa maleta. At ayan na nga, lumabas na kami to buy food for our lunch. So, along the street, makikita nyo yung kukonti lang talaga na pwedeng bilhin ng pagkain dito. And in this video, I'm going to show you kung gaano talaga kalapit yung Big C sa aming hotel. So, naglakad lang kami, siguro in less than 2 minutes, ayan na yung Big C. Pwede ka dito bumili ng tubig, some bread, or yung mga instant na pwedeng makain. Or anything that you need during your stay. Look around, however, wala kaming nakitang fried chicken, which is Bella's favorite. So, instead, ito na lang, crispy pork siya na may soup. So, nung binigay sa akin, nilagyan na natin ng sauce, which is ayaw ni Bella. I tried to let her eat, but unfortunately, hindi talaga siya kumain. This is actually one of my struggles during this trip. So, si Bella, hindi siya welcoming sa mga new food. And nasa stage talaga siya na pinipili niya yung kinakain niya. Though, at some cases naman, gusto niya yung pagkain, pero dito sa Laos, ayaw niya talaga yung mga food dito. After that, bumalik na lang kami sa room. Good thing, marami akong dalang snacks, so yun na lang din yung kinain niya. It's very important talaga na whenever you have a kid during your trip, or you plan to have a travel with your kid outside the country, always bring with you yung favorite snacks niya. Para pag hindi niya gusto yung pagkain, definitely meron siyang makukutkot and hindi siya magugutom. But that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining us. Join us as we explore Patusay in the next video. Thank you, take care, and Kobkun ka.